Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Real's English News Bulletin. I am Mohammad Inayatur Rahman. Let's start with the day's top stories. The All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin starts the facility of online registration of voters at its office in Jubilee Hills constituency's Yusufgoda area. Congress Rajya Sabha member V. Hanumant Rao unhappy over the TRS leader Keshav Rao's recent comments over the Congress party. Bharatiya Janata Party blames the United Progressive Alliance for the country's current political situation. 3 rowdy cheaters attack a man in the SR Nagar police station limits, flee with his gold chain. And Lok Satta Party to fight in this year's Lok Sabha elections from the Malkajgiri constituency. Now let's have a look at the news in detail. The All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin is providing a facility for online registration of voter names in the voter list in the Jubilee Hills constituency's Yusufgoda area. An online registration center was inaugurated at the AIMIM's office in Jubilee Hills Yusufgoda area. This center would help people get their names registered in the voters list of the area. The area's Majlis leaders have requested the people of the area to approach the center in case they have not registered the names in the voter list. And to get their names registered, there was a special request for all 18 years old who would be the first time voters this time to immediately get themselves registered as voters. The leaders also added that the Jubilee Hills constituency has 5 lakh voters, but 2,90,000 voters still don't have their names in the voters list of the area. The All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin is trying to ensure that no voter misses his or her right to vote. The Congress Party's Rajya Sabha MP V. Hanumant Rao is unhappy over the remarks of TRS leader Keshav Rao in the recent days over the Congress Party. Commenting on Keshav Rao's remarks, Hanumant Rao said that Keshav Rao was making false remarks on the Congress Party while he was now a part of the TRS. He accused Keshav Rao of having separated from the Congress Party over his self-interests.
Well established. నా ఉద్దేశంలో ఇవాళ ఎవరెన్ని చెప్పినా నాకు బాధ ఆడనే ఉన్నాడు. ఇంతకంటే విట్నెసెస్ ఏం కావాలి? కొందరు నాయకులు మేము తెచ్చినాం, మేము అంగర్ స్ట్రైక్ కూర్చుంటేనే అయ్యింది, మేము కష్టపోతే తెలంగాణ రాదు, ఎంతో మంది చనిపోయినరు.
The Bharatiya Janata Party blames the ruling United Progressive Alliance or the UPA for the country's current political situation. Senior BJP leader Mr. Venkaiah Naidu, speaking to a correspondent in New Delhi, has targeted the UPA this time. He blamed the Congress Party for the current political situation in the country. He also added that the Congress Party has been ruling the country for quite some time now and has failed to get the country's people a solution for their problems. He further claimed that the people of the country had got fed up with the Congress rule. He added that the people of the country wish to make Narendra Modi as the next Prime Minister of India. The Lok Satta Party is to contest in this year's Lok Sabha election, says Party Chief Mr. Jaiprakash Narayan. Speaking to the media at the party office, Lok Satta Party's head and only MLA from the party, Mr. Jaiprakash Narayan, has said that the party would fight for this year's Lok Sabha elections from the Malkajgiri constituency. He appealed to the people of the state and the country to cast their vote for the right candidate.
ఇవి తప్ప ఇంకేవి రాజకీయాలు లేకపోయినట్టయితే తెలుగునాడు చాలా నష్టపోతుంది. భారతదేశంలో ఈవేళ దుష్ట రాజకీయాలకి పునాది వేసినటువంటి రాష్ట్రాలలో తెలుగునాడు ఒకటి. మన దురదృష్టం. చాలా రాష్ట్రాల్లో తప్పులు జరిగినాయి, కానీ మన రాష్ట్రంలో జరిగిన తప్పులు మన రాష్ట్రం దేశ రాజకీయాల మీద చూపెట్టిన దుష్ప్రభావం చాలా కొద్ది రాష్ట్రాల్లో చూపెట్టిన ఈ అపకీర్తి మనకు అక్కర్లేదు. ఈ తెలుగు గడ్డపైంచైతే ఈ డబ్బుల రాజకీయం, విపరీతమైన కుల రాజకీయం, అపారమైన అధికార లాలత, ఊహకందనటువంటి అధికార కేంద్రీకరణలోనూ దేశంలోనూ రాజకీయాన్ని ఒక సరైన దారిని పట్టించడానికి కొంత లోతైనటువంటి అవగాహన ఉన్నటువంటి, పరిణతి కలిగినటువంటి, నిజాయితీ కలిగినటువంటి చర్చ కావాలి.
The police is keeping no stone unturned in ensuring a peaceful environment in the run-up to the elections. The police are keeping a keen watch on antisocial elements and is working towards a safe and peaceful environment and law and order situation in the city. According to details, Subhash Nagar, falling under the limits of SR Nagar, saw another crime committed by a group of rowdy sheeters. According to details, 3 rowdy sheeters attacked a man named Gopal, a labor contractor, and fled with his 3 tola gold chain. They were said to be in an inebriated condition. The police have registered a case against these rowdy sheeters after a complaint by Mr. Gopal.
उन लोग आके मैं वो ऑफिस करने बैठे थे, आके हमारे ऊपर पूरा दौर्जन्य करके मारा सब तीनों थी।
कौन सी ऑफिस करने बैठे थे?
मैं सामटेक्स अड्डे का प्रेसिडेंट है, मेरा नाम गोपाल है। उन लोग क्या कर आके बुलाया, पहले सूर्य इटिराज बुला के सूर्य नीचे गिरा के मारे सब, किरण मार दिया और चाकू लेके मारा और टेबल भी उठा के मार दिया सब, पैर के ऊपर पूरा ये छाती के ऊपर मार दिया।
A fire started in an oil godown in Vijayawada due to a short circuit. Huge loss of property estimated. According to details, fire suddenly started in an oil godown in the Golapudi area of Vijayawada. Short circuit is assumed to be the reason behind this. The fire spread very quickly across the godown. 5 fire engines were pressed into service to control the spread of fire. The fire was said to be so intense that the residents of surrounding houses had to be evacuated to safety. A loss of crores of rupees is estimated to have happened because of this incident. Now let's have a look into the world of sports. Here are the day's sports news. India will take on the traditional force Pakistan in the opening match of the ICC World T20 on Friday. Virat Kohli slams 73 in India's 20-run win over England. I don't play IPL for making personal comeback, says Gambhir. IPL second leg matches could be held in India. A lot of good players to watch out for in the World T20 tie between India and Pakistan. Now let's head for the weather updates of the day. Here is the day's weather forecast. Hyderabad is at a minimum of 24 degrees Celsius and at a maximum of 39 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar comes at a minimum of 24 degrees Celsius and at a maximum of 36 degrees Celsius. Khammam would be at a 23 degrees Celsius low and a 42 degrees high. Karimnagar would be at a 25 degrees centigrade low and a 39 degrees centigrade high. Chittoor would be at a 21 degrees Celsius low and at a high of 37 degrees Celsius. Mahbubnagar would be at 25 degrees centigrade low and 40 degrees centigrade high, while Vijayawada would be at 23 degrees centigrade low and 37 degrees centigrade high. Now let's head for the stock market updates. Here are the day's stock market updates. Sensex closed at 21,740.09 points, down by 0.42%, while Nifty traded at 6483.10 points, down at 0.63%. Now let's go for gold and silver market rate updates. Here are the gold and silver market rate updates. For 10 grams, the gold would cost 27,582.5 rupees at 22 carat, and for 24 carat gold, the cost would be 29,500 rupees. Silver is trading at rupees 45,712 for 1 kg. Let's have a look at the headlines before we wrap up the edition. The All India Majlis-e-Ittihadul Muslimin starts the facility of online registration of voters at its office in Jubilee Hills constituency's Yusufgoda area. Congress Rajya Sabha member V. Hanumant Rao unhappy over the TRS leader Keshav Rao's recent comments over the Congress party. Bharatiya Janata Party blames the United Progressive Alliance for the country's current political situation. 3 rowdy sheeters attack a man in the SR Nagar police station limits, flee with his gold chain. And Lok Satta party to fight in this year's Lok Sabha elections from the Malkajgiri constituency. This wraps up the day's edition. From me and the whole team here, thanks for watching.